Hey everybody, this is Dave Bensman with Bensman Home Computer Repair. Today I'd like to talk about scams you might get through your email, specifically phishing scams. These are phishing scams are scams that come to you through your email, and they are they send out like a millions, literally millions of emails, and they are trying to get at least one or 20 people to click on a link in that email and then give them some information. So here's basically how it works. I got this email yesterday, and basically it's flagged high priority right here. If I put my cursor over the exclamation point, high priority. Ooh, this is super important. This is sent from my bank, Bank of America. Security alert required, so this is super important. So then when I open it up, what it's going to say is it's going to appear to be, if I don't read very closely, from Bank of America Online. But then if I look at the email associated with that, it's from sofranco at comcast.net. Now I can promise you that Bank of America Online's email address is not going to look like that. It's going to be something more corporate. And it's also sent to undisclosed recipients, so it's not sent to me. Now let's read the email here. It says Bank of America, security alert, ooh, super important. Hello, customer. We're carrying out a scheduled online banking maintenance and security updates due to recent violations of online banking security. Well, right there, it's highly unlikely that a company that large, as large as Bank of America, is going to have some sort of formatting or spelling error in something that they send out. So that's a red flag. We earnestly ask you to visit the earnestly ask you. So that's not language that a American company is going to use. They're either going to tell you to do something, this is necessary, that type of language, it is important, it is necessary you do this, or they're not going to mention it at all. We earnestly ask you to visit the link below to begin with the procedure. You notice that? Notice how stilted that sounds? To begin with the procedure of account security and updates. That is a non-native speaker of English, or it is somebody who is pretending to be a non-native speaker of English. Because sometimes what a lot of these phishing emails will do is they will appear to be less professional or less official, because what they're doing is they're trying to attract people, or they're trying to spur people to action who are, shall we say, maybe not as smart as some other people. So the logic I have heard is that if the thing looks too official, then the smart people will maybe click on this link, but then not answer not give them any information. But in any case, if you see something like this, where it just simply does not look like natural corporate English, we earnestly ask you to visit the link below to begin with the procedure of account security and updates. That's a big red flag. But here's the biggest one. Please endeavor to fill. That's nonsense. Please endeavor to fill in the required fields properly with your information as already on file. Once again, not natural English. And then they want you to click on this and give them your information. I'm not clicking on that link because God knows what happens after you do that. Um, and God knows what happens if you click on the contact link. But I can tell you that if you were to click on this and your computer wasn't automatically infected with a virus and all they wanted was your information so that they could loot your bank account, then or use your Visa card or whatever, uh, then that information would be owned by criminals and passed around and sold 1,000 times over. So when you see an email that is asking for your information, because I know that Bank of America is not going to be doing this, because they don't need to do this. All they need to do is send me an email saying log into your account and give and update your information. Or all they really have to do is just when I log into my account, all they have to do is pop up a little nag screen that says, "Hey, it's time to update your information." They don't have to send me an email with a link, and they won't. So that's really what you want to keep in mind is whenever you're on your email and you get something asking for information, don't interact with that in any way. Don't click on the link to see what it is. Don't definitely don't give them any information. Log into that account. Go to, if you like in this case, I would go to my Bank of America account. I would log in and I would make sure everything was a-okay. Worst case scenario, I might call them and ask them if everything's okay. But the one thing you don't want to do is click on this and give these criminals or this the contact us, because what a lot of people don't understand is they think that, oh well, these are criminals, and they think that this link right here is is a link to where they want to steal my information, but this is a legitimate contact link. And of course, no, like you can't assume anything. Once you correctly identify this email as being sent by criminals, every single one of these links, from the privacy notice to the contact us link to the equal housing lender link, those are all suspect. Any one of those could infect your computer with a virus that would completely tank it. So the best thing to do with an email like this is to delete it. That's all you want to do with emails that are completely suspect. If you have any questions about this, feel free to call me. If you've clicked on one of these and you need to know what to do, call me, Dave Bensman. If you live in the Memphis, Cordova, Collierville, Germantown, that area, uh, Midtown, Bensman Home Computer Repair, 901-830-4362. And I can take care of whatever needs taken care of. Well, thank you for watching this video. I hope the tutorial on how to use your Windows more effectively was of some help. I'll be doing more tutorials in the future. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And that's Dave Bensman from Bensman Home Computer Repair. Thank you very much.